There are three tiny bones in the middle ear. These are the malleus, incus, and stapes. You can see all these three ossicles or ear bones through the semi-transparent tympanic membrane. You can see the hammer-like bone, green color, is the malleus, which showing hammer-like structure. The incus is anvil-like structure. You can see yellow line is incus, and incus going and turning on the head of the stapes. This blue color bone is stapes, and stapes bone is like just like a stirrups. So these are the three tiny bones in the middle ear. You can see through the semi-transparent tympanic membrane. These ossicles connected each other to amplify sound from the external ear to the inner ear. First joint is incudo-malleolar joint. This joint is synovial joint between the head of the malleus and the body of incus. Second joint is incudo-stapedial joint, that is between the lenticular process of incus and the head of the stapes. Third joint is tympano-stapedial syndesmosis. It is joint between the stapes footplate and the vestibule. This is radiographic view of the malleus and incus. In the attic you can see head of the malleus and the body of incus in the attic region. And this is the radiographic view of the incus and stapes. You can see body of the incus, long process of incus, and head of the stapes, and you can see also oval window that is connected to the vestibule. Now talk about individual ossicle. Malleus having 5 parts: head, neck, lateral process, anterior process, and handle of the malleus. This malleus is just like a hammer. That's why it's called malleus. And malleus having longest length is about 9 mm. So this is the longest bone of the middle ear. Second bone of the middle ear is the incus. Incus having body, short process, long process, and lenticular process. This is the heaviest bone of the middle ear, weight about 27 milligram, while the malleus weight is about 22 to 23 milligram. So heaviest bone will be incus and longest bone will be malleus. And last bone is the stapes. Stapes is the lightest and the smallest bone of the body, and this having 5 part: head, neck, posterior crus, anterior crus, and the foot plate or base. And this foot plate attached to the oval window.